Hello friends, in this video we are going to discuss Cannizzaro reaction, which is one of the important reactions from the chapter Aldol's ketones and aldehydes in chapter 12, 12th class. Here, Cannizzaro reaction, any molecule, any aldehydes with no alpha hydrogen. For example, if you see benzaldehyde, benzaldehyde if you see, there is no alpha hydrogen. Here this is the alpha carbon and there are no alpha hydrogens. So which in the presence of concentrated KOH, very important, concentrated OH minus. It can be NaOH or KOH. Concentrated base, it gives two products, that is oxidation product COO minus or carboxylic acid, you can say carboxylic acid plus benzoyl alcohol. How these products are formed, I will discuss you with mechanism. This is called oxidized product, oxidized, and this is reduced. So the same molecule benzaldehyde undergoes oxidation and it also undergoes reduction. So this is also called as disproportionation reaction. Disproportionation reaction. Proportionation, where in the reactions in which one molecule undergoes oxidation and the same molecule also undergoes reduction is called a disproportionation reaction. In this reaction, benzaldehyde, which does not have an alpha hydrogen, undergoes self oxidation and reduction in presence of concentrated OH minus. You can take KOH or NaOH. Now we see Cannizaro's reaction mechanism. Reaction mechanism. So see here, benzaldehyde normally this is benzaldehyde. This carbon is the reactive center. This carbon here is the reactive center. Carbonyl groups are the reactive centers. Here OH minus. If we take KOH concentrated for instance, K plus OH minus will be there in this OH minus. Here compared to oxygen, carbon and oxygen is more electronegativity greater than carbon. So what happens, this oxygen takes electron pair, shared electron pair, it pulls towards itself, then carbon develops partial positive charge. Carbon develops partial positive charge. So this negative charge goes and attacks this carbon where partial positive charge has been developed. Now what happens? This product is going to form O minus OH and H. Okay, and whenever this O minus again, it comes back to earlier position, and then the carbon valency should not become more than 5. So this hydride ion shifts and attacks on one more aldehyde present in the reaction mixture, that is, say this same hydride ion comes as H minus, this comes as H minus, this is called hydride shift. This is a very important part of this reaction mechanism. Hydride comes and attacks this molecule in order to form CO minus H and H. So in this reaction I am naming, this is product 1, this is product 2. So finally what happens, product 1 and 2 react here. See, product 1 and 2 react, that is, in the same reaction mixture you have one carboxylic acid COOH, this is product 1, and you also have in the reaction mixture CO minus H and H. So this is product 2. So here what happens, acid loses proton, this is the acidic proton, right? Acidic proton. So that is lost, and now you will get COO minus. This is called in reaction mixture. You know that we have taken concentrated KOH, right? So here K plus will attack here. This forms acid salt, and the another product is reduced product, that is CH2OH. The proton lost here will come and attack on the negative charge. This is benzyl alcohol. So in this way, Cannizzaro reaction takes place between the aldehydes which do not have alpha hydrogens in order to form self-oxidized acid and self-reduced alcohol products. And in exams, many kind of questions are asked based on this. Now I will give you some homework questions. Try to solve them. What is the product of the following reaction? Here question, predict products. Okay, here first one, I have a reaction mixture where CHO OCH3 is there, reacting in presence of concentrated KOH. Write the product. Next question here I am going to give you is question number 2. What is the reaction product of benzaldehyde when it reacts with formaldehyde? These two molecules do not have alpha hydrogen. The product formed here concentrated KOH. This is called crossed crossed Cannizzaro reaction taking place between two different aldehydes which have this is one kind of aldehyde, this is another kind of aldehyde. Earlier we have seen that the reaction was between benzaldehyde and benzaldehyde, but here now we are seeing a reaction between benzaldehyde and here I am naming this one and here this is two. This one and two are different aldehydes. Now this is the homework for you. Try to write the products. I will give one hint. In this benzaldehyde and formaldehyde, formaldehyde is the most reactive aldehyde compared to benzaldehyde. So OH minus attacks first on formaldehyde. Try to write the mechanism and comment your number of products in the comment section. Thank you.